If you're the type of person that always likes to look for rejections off key zones in the market, this is a beautiful entry model that, bro, you will benefit off it so much. So stay tuned to the end of this video. I'm going to explain to you exactly how you can catch these key rejection points in the market and just get these sniper entries. So first thing, say hypothetically, of course, on the hourly time frame, we have a buy side liquidity with an SMT. Okay. Now, what do we want to see? Well, right over here, we have a manipulation leg. Why? Because this is a previous high that got swept on this move higher. What do we see? Now, first thing we want to keep in mind is, okay, well, here, this can be our market structure shift. Now, guys, market structure shift is literally a shift in the market. So for example, here we have a little consolidation period, but when we have this full market structure shift, this is going to pretty much tell us that we are changing the trend in direction. So this would actually be a better mark out of the market structure shift because again, this is the new high that is getting taken. And right over here, what do we see? Our market structure shift have full body close. So now this is confirming, hey guys, this was previously a little uptrend. Now we are confirming this to be a downtrend. So again, say on the hourly time frame, 1 hour buy side with an SMT, come down to the 1, 2, 3, 4 minute, find this. This is a beautiful entry model and you can take a short. What would you target? You can possibly target the previous fair value gap just below, and that's TP slapped right there. So guys, manipulation leg is always placed right at the previous high of the new move. So for example, this is our previous high. This move gets pushed, making a new higher high. So manipulation leg, because we manipulate people into thinking we want to go higher. Then on the first push to make that manipulation leg, we put our market structure shift right at the wick close. So this is a perfect entry model. Let's jump to the second example. So what do we see price doing in this area? So we're making a very strong push higher over here. Beautiful higher highs. Now, what do we see? Over here, first thing I notice is we have a manipulation leg. Why is it a manipulation leg? Because this is a previous high in the market. And what do? I have that little push down. And on the first push to make this new higher high in the market, we are going to mark out our potential market structure shift. Because at the end of the day, we don't know if price is just going to continue higher. So let's see. What are we going to do? Bang. This is our market structure shift. You can take your entry right on this break. And guys, what are you going to target once again? Well, you can target either this fair value gap, we can target this fair value gap over here, or you can even target this fair value gap. This would be a bit of a long shot, but let's see. We don't end up tapping into it, but again, this would have been a beautiful fair value gap that you could have tapped into, and you could have got those beautiful profits. Reason I said this would be a little bit of a long shot is because this is kind of a sell side liquidity. Well, not kind of, it is. This would be our sell side liquidity. So this is a very key zone for a rejection point. And here we have the fair value gap just above it. So it got respected perfectly. So again, manipulation leg, obviously have a higher time frame bias. Manipulation leg, perfect, manipulated these highs. And you have the market structure shift just below the first push to make this new high. So guys, I hope this video made sense to you. This is a very key point to enter in the market, especially on the lower time frames between the 1 to 4 minute time frame. And again, of course, have a higher time frame bias. And guys, this is going to make you a lot of money in the market, and you're going to profit on almost every single move. And you're going to see it. Go test it out for yourself. So guys, last thing I want to let you off with is I do have a free mentorship. You can go check it out down below. It's a free trial. So if you like it, that is the place you can stay, talk to me, and I can teach you one-on-one these type of models. And other than that, I hope you have a beautiful rest of your day. Leave a like, subscribe, and let me know what you think in the comments.